Hello, my name is Affiq, and today I'm going to present about sensory circuit. Okay, the first is for the introduction. First, what is sensory circuit? A sensory circuit is a form of sensory integration intervention, and it involves a sequence of physical activities that are designed to alert, organize, and calm the child. As I mentioned before, there are three stages of sensory circuit. Again, it is alerting, organizing, and calming. Alerting is the first step. Is the first stages is alerting. Alerting is the aim of this selection is to provide vestibular and proprioception stimulation within a controlled setting. This prepare the brain for learning and demands of the school environment. Okay, next is the organizing. Organizing is the section includes activity that require motor sensory processing, balance, and timing. These activities help improve the focus and attention the child needs in order to organize their body, plan their approach, and do more than one thing at a time in sequential order. Last is calming. The calming activities are very important as they provide input to ensure that the children leave the circuit and return to their classroom calm, centered, and ready for the day ahead. Now, what is the benefits or importance of sensory circuit? The sensory circuit aims to facilitate sensory processing in order to help children regulate and organize their senses in order to achieve the just right or optimum level of alertness required for effective learning. Now, what is the example of sensory circuit? For alerting, the example is either jumping, bouncing on a trampoline, skipping, running, rolling, and bouncing on a yoga ball, animal walks, step up, or star jump. For organizing, balancing, climbing, log rolls, throwing to a target, wobble board, weaving in and out of cones, throwing and catching, jumping through hoops, etc. For calming, there's proprioceptive and deep pressure. Example, yoga ball squashes, lying under a weighted blanket, massages, massage arms and legs, linear swinging or rocking, heavy muscle work. Example, crawling through a tunnel. Okay. In this picture, it's the floor plan on how you would usually use or do the sensory circuit. So as you can see, the first one, there's a stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, 5 and 6, and stage 7 is the calming process. That is all from me. Thank you very much.